Yellow card.
Yellow card.
Yellow card.
Carton jaune.
Red card.
Red card.
Red card.
Carton rouge.
Send off.
Send off.
Send off.
Mettez yon jouet dehors. Plus précisément, l'elle prend yon carton rouge.
Book a player.
Book a player.
Book a player.
Bay yon jouet yon carton.
Warning.
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 Avertissement.
Suspension.
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 Dismissal.
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 Expulsion.
Shot.
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 Tir ou bien shoot.
Powerful shot.
Powerful shot.
Powerful shot.
Yon tir puissant ou bien yon tir avec force.
Long range shot.
Long range shot.
Long range shot.
Yon tir de loin.
Close range shot.
Close range shot.
Close range shot.
Yon tir tout près.
Low shot.
Low shot.
Low shot.
Yon tir à terre.
High shot.
High shot.
High shot.
Tir en l'air.
Accurate shot.
Accurate shot.
Accurate shot.
Yon tir précis.
Shot on target.
Shot on target.
Shot on target.
Yon tir qui allait dans camp.
Shot off target.
Shot off target.
Shot off target.
Yon shoot qui passe dehors ou bien à côté.
Free kick.
Free kick.
Free kick.
Coup franc.
Direct free kick.
Direct free kick.
Direct free kick.
Coup franc direct.
Indirect free kick.
Indirect free kick.
Indirect free kick.
Coup franc indirect.
Penalty kick.
Penalty kick.
Penalty kick.
Pénalité.
Penalty shootout.
Penalty shootout.
Penalty shootout.
Séance de pénal ou séance de pénalité.
Corner kick.
Corner kick.
Corner kick.
Yon coup de pied coin.
Crossbar.
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 Gravet ou bien bas transversal.
Equalize.
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 Égaliser.
Take the lead.
Take the lead.
Take the lead.
Point avantage jouet là. Ça c'est là une équipe marque un goal en plus et puis la mener sous l'autre équipe là.
Score a winning goal.
Score a winning goal.
Score a winning goal.
Marquer goal victoire.
Halftime.
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 Mi-temps.
First half.
First half.
First half.
Premier mi-temps.
Second half.
Second half.
Second half.
Deuxième mi-temps.
Full time.
Full time.
Full time.
Fin match là. Match là terminé.
Stoppage time.
Stoppage time.
Stoppage time.
Temps supplémentaire.
Injury time.
Injury time.
Injury time.
Temps additionnel.
Extra time.
Extra time.
Extra time.
Prolongation.
Water break.
Water break.
Water break.
Yon pose de l'eau.
Hydration break.
Hydration break.
Hydration break.
Pause hydratation ou bien pause pour boire de l'eau.
VAR review.
VAR review.
VAR review.
Révision VAR.
Medical treatment.
Medical treatment.
Medical treatment.
Soin médical.
Substitution.
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 Changement ou bien remplacement.
Football.
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 Football.